Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Camille Rose and I would have just recently done my big chop from last hair. I was transitioning for about 10 months. I am 6 days post chop. Today was my first wash and go. So if you want to see how I achieved this result, you can keep on watching. Bye. Hi guys, before I start to wash my hair, I just want to fully coat it and saturate it with water before I add in any products. And today I'm going to be using the ORS Super Hydrating Sulfate Free Shampoo. It's infused with fresh water and electrolytes. It claims that it's supposed to be giving supercharged hydration and growth. Anyways, but I'm just using that to scrub my scalp and scrub along the hair shaft. I have shorter hair now, so basically I don't have to like do it in sections or anything like that. But if you want to, or you have more hair or thicker hair than I do, I would recommend that you do it piece by piece. I am going to actually wash my hair twice with the shampoo, and then I'm going to move on to the conditioner. Now I'm on to conditioner. I'm using the ORS Replenishing Conditioner infused with sweet orange oil. I am just putting that the same way I did the shampoo, and I'm just going to use my hands to like stretch out the hair shafts and the hair strands and stuff like that, and then I'm going to kind of like finger detangle before I go in with my white tooth comb, just to separate any like knots or tangling that I would have had. Now I'm going to be using the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I am going to apply that all over my hair. I'm just going to put it around the perimeter, try to like separate each section to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. So now I am kind of like fresh-esque out of the shower. My hair is damp or damp-esque. I would have done the back, but basically what I'm using is the Wetline Xtreme Gel, and then I'm also using the Creme Moisturising Hair Lotion. So what I'm doing is that I'm separating each section of my hair with like small to medium sections, and I am taking piece by piece and twirling small pieces around my finger, just twirling it and letting it go. I apply the Wetline gel like in my hands to warm it up first, and then I apply it to the section, and then I just twirl and twirl and twirl, and then I let go. Usually it forms a decent curl. If it's too big, just cut it in half and then twirl it again. So I'm applying the gel here, just making sure that it's going through my fingers properly. Twirl, 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 twirl. Yeah, I think you kind of get the drift from here, but it's just the same motion. I'm not going in any particular direction, just wherever like my finger takes me. It will either go clockwise or counterclockwise. So just go wherever the wind takes you, baby. Yeah, so that is it. I don't think there's really much more to explain, so I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest in silence. Okay, bye. I had somewhere to go, so I'm just using the blow dryer on a medium heat, and I'm just like blowing it all around so that it could get halfway dry, so that it will dry the remainder on the way. You don't have to do this, you can just let it air dry. So this is the completed look. This is me before, fresh out the shower, and then this is me after. I would have used a bit of edge control just to, give a little pizzazz. But this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week.